Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today we are going to go to Disneyland for the 78th years of Disneyland. I can't remember the name, so I'm gonna insert it here. We are basically doing an outfit inspired by Flik. I don't know if you can tell, but so these are my ears. I bought these off, I think, Mercari or Depop. I did make my little Flik plushie into a keychain. And yeah, so this is the outfit that we have going on for tonight. We are going to walk over right now, and I think the first thing that we are going to do is start off with food because I'm hungry. We literally just got to the hotel maybe like less than an hour ago because our flight was delayed. We flew into Anaheim today. So yeah, that's exciting. So it's already like 7:30, so we have to really make our way over to Disneyland ASAP. The party does start until 9. But I did mobile order the birria mac and cheese bread bowl. I think that's what it's called. I'll insert a picture again here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I mobile ordered that, so that is the first thing we're gonna have. I think it's at about 8, so we better hurry up and get over there. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start with a bread bowl, but it's a birria mac and cheese bread bowl. I'm gonna try to show you guys what it looks like. It's like shaped like a Mickey Mouse. It has the mac and cheese, the birria, some salsa, and then cebolla and cilantro, onions and cilantro, and then it has a little like consomme dip. And then I also got this drink, which I didn't really read what it was, but there was only 2 different drink options for tonight, so I wanted to try both, so I got it regardless. But let's go ahead and just try this one. I mean, first of all, I love the bread bowls. They are my favorite, especially the clam chowder. But I do love some good mac and cheese. Here's the first bite. The flavors for the birria are really, really good. And it's really tender. And the sauce, the green salsa is nice and spicy. And I love when the salsa is spicy. Because if it isn't spicy, it isn't a salsa. I feel like I have to mix it. Okay, that's much better. Okay, that's good. I can taste a little bit of an orange in there. That is so yummy. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue eating this before we can go on to our next activity. We're gonna watch one of the shows at the River of America first, and then I think we're going to make our way to get the Gaston coffee or cold brew. Then we're going to go to It's a Small World because they're doing like a projection show or some type of show on It's a Small World. So we're gonna go see that after, and then kind of see what the vibes are. And I do want to go meet some of the characters. I want to meet like an Ada, and then Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and some other ones. But those are like a must for me. So let's continue eating before it gets cold.
Why we only live to serve? Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Come on and lift your glass. You want your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining. We suggest be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. One by one, till you shout enough like that. Almost there. People down in Dixie's place. She don't care.
That was so good. Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you so much. That show was literally so good. I was super emotional for like the whole thing. But Circle of Life always makes me feel some type of way. It makes me like almost tear up. It's just such a beautiful song. But the show itself was so good. I'm so glad we stopped and saw that first thing. Anyways, after that show, now we made it over to Red Rose Tavern, and we are trying this Gaston cold brew. It looks like a soda of some sort. I'm kind of scared. Let's see. We'll have to try it.
It's supposed to be like a Gaston cream.
It's like a cream. Wait, that's actually good. I feel like my hair looks a little bit crazy because we were in front of the show and the mist was coming from the water. I think we're gonna head over to the projector show and then maybe Videopolis. I'm really excited about that. I'm not exactly sure we're just kind of going with the flow, but I need to for sure meet Flik. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go finish this cold brew, and I think for sure I like this better than that drink that I had earlier. Like the drink wasn't bad, it was good. I still finished it, but I like this a lot more. So bright red.
Okay.
You're good. Wait, should I move it? No, this doesn't move. I can't move it.
And then follow the signs to the nearest exit.
That was literally a workout. I could not get it to move at all. That was a little bit embarrassing. Oh no, that ended so fast.
As I say, we're just getting started.
That was so cute.
Thank you for joining us for Tapestry of Happiness. We hope you enjoy the rest of your time at the
Literally at the end, I wanted to cry. Every time I hear Walt Disney talk, it makes me want to cry. Because he really did. Him and Amal started all of this. I feel like all the shows we've seen today, like they've all been like super good.
Oh yeah.
But that was touching.
Alliance.
That one is so cute. I love the color because it's not like pink, but it's like purple-ish. Did I get that? Okay, wait. So I kind of want to do this. At one point, I just literally want to come get an autograph book because I never got one when I was a kid, and just go around meeting all the characters and getting their signatures, like their autographs.
So honestly, this is the best way for us to keep an eye on them. Yeah. We all know they're the troublemakers. For that is here to have each other. And not exactly. He's on babysitting, but we know you're going to There's so many things that I'm like,
You like it? It was a lot of money. Can I have some of yours?
One more.
Where'd you leave it? Come on. Thank you. Take care of your money. That was so cute. I loved Huey and Louie, and then well, I liked them all, but they all complimented my Heimlich headband, so that was really cute. I'm really excited about that, and I'm really proud about that. Okay, I don't know if you agree with me, but I think it's time that we go meet Flik and Ada, because it's 11. The time is going by way too fast, and I cannot leave here tonight without meeting Flik and Ada. So we're gonna go ahead over there, and then after we'll go do Videopolis. Anyways, and then just kind of go from there. But yeah, let's go.
Hopefully everyone is having fun here tonight, right? Well, if you are, this is the perfect song that's just been requested from Cindy Lauper.
Okay, so that is a wrap for the Disneyland After Dark event, 70 New Year's favorites. We had an amazing time, had great food, only did one ride. We did just finish off with Space Mountain, which zero regrets. That was the best ride. Now we are walking to the hotel. It's about 1:30, 1:40, and I cannot wait to be in bed. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What was your favorite part, or if you would come to this event next year if they bring it back. Okay, bye, good night.